This is Well Drink, and I'm C.R.E.A.M. Before we go any further, I'd like to dedicate this episode to a friend who is no longer with us. Thank you for everything, Uncle Jamie. Now, today we're going to be mixing up a Manhattan. It's one of my favorite drinks, and it is actually named after the borough in New York. This drink is going to take rye whiskey, sweet vermouth, and Angostura bitters. The build is actually the same as the area code of Manhattan, 212. In case anybody ever wants to be able to have a fun way to remember that. I'm going to start with my Rittenhouse Rye. It is one of my favorite ryes. We're doing 2 ounces of Rittenhouse. And we're going to do an ounce of, we're using Carpano Antica formula. I really like this one because it's spice notes and vanilla. It's actually my favorite sweet vermouth. 1 ounce of that. And 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. You can play around with different types of bitters, but we're staying traditional today. All right. And add our mixing ice. Should be a good amount. Same as the old fashioned, we'll do about 20 rotations, or just enough until the ice has become level with the cocktail. And classically, this will go into a martini glass, served up. You could also drink it on a rock in a low ball, which is the way I do prefer to drink mine. And garnish this with a Luxardo maraschino cherry. And there you have it. Let's try this out. And that's how you make a Manhattan. Thanks for joining us today. This has been Well Drink.